Have you ever imagined a computer so powerful that it could solve problems impossible for even the most advanced supercomputers? Well, Google just did it. Their latest quantum computer has achieved something mind-blowing, a feat that could change AI, cryptography, and scientific research forever. But how does it work? And what does it mean for the future of technology? Let's dive into this incredible breakthrough. The quantum computing revolution. Quantum computing isn't just another tech upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. Unlike classical computers that use bits, zeros and ones, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously thanks to quantum superposition. This allows them to process vast amounts of information at unprecedented speeds. Google's Sycamore quantum processor has just performed a calculation that would take a classical supercomputer thousands of years to complete in just a few seconds. This is called quantum supremacy, where quantum computers outperform traditional ones in specific tasks. Why this breakthrough matters. This new milestone could revolutionize several industries. Section Artificial intelligence, AI training will become exponentially faster, enabling more powerful models than ever before. Cybersecurity, quantum computing could crack traditional encryption, forcing a complete overhaul of digital security systems. Section Superscript A scientific research, complex simulations in physics, chemistry, and biology will accelerate medical breakthroughs. As Idiaris Sadilla, the challenge is risks, but with great power comes great challenges. Quantum computers are still in their early stages and require extreme cooling, massive infrastructure, and advanced error correction. Additionally, if quantum computers become widely available, current encryption methods will become obsolete, posing serious cybersecurity risks. The future of quantum computing. Tech giants like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are racing to scale quantum computing for real-world applications. Experts predict that in the next 10-15 years, quantum computers could transform industries like finance, logistics, and AI development. So, are we heading towards a quantum-powered future? Will this be the biggest tech revolution of our lifetime? Let us know what you think in the comments. That's it for today's update. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more future tech updates. Thanks for watching.